It's Tuesday, and what do we do every Tuesday? We join in with our awesome friend, The Healthful Home, a wonderful channel and lots of great content. Please go check her out if you have not already watching her channel. And on Tuesday, we do Teeny Tidy Tuesday. We pick some part of our yard, our garden, or any part of our lives that we want to organize and clean up. And she does an awesome job on her channel. Please go check this out and also check the playlist. It's an open collab. The video can go up anytime on Tuesday, and you can clean or organize anything you want. These are my favorite kinds of videos to join in. Anyone can join in. It's an open collab. And this week, Grandma's going to clean her refrigerator. Yep, actually going to clean the refrigerator. So sit back and get ready to watch Grandma straighten up that refrigerator and clean, for she can go buy some groceries. You should always clean your refrigerator out before doing some serious grocery shopping, and put your food in a wonderful clean refrigerator. Good morning to my awesome friends. It's Tuesday, and what do we do every Tuesday? Teeny Tidy Tuesday with my awesome friend, The Healthful Home. I'm going to be joining in with her every Tuesday, hopefully from now on. There's always something to be cleaned and tidied up. As you can see by my refrigerator, it is a total mess. And believe it or not, it was even a worse mess than this, but I didn't want to show you how bad it really was, because I've been sick for almost 2 weeks, and I haven't been grocery shopping in 2 weeks, and everything was a total mess. Before going grocery shopping, it always seems advisable to go through your refrigerator and see what you have, and see what needs to be thrown away, and for you can clean up and throw out all the old food before you bring anything new in. Well, this is what I'm going to be doing this week on Teeny Tidy Tuesday, getting this refrigerator cleaned out, and I'm going to be embarrassed by how bad it looks. But you know, we all have a mess somewhere in our home. Grandma just has a few more messes than most. And of course, I've been sick, like I've said. So let's get this refrigerator cleaned out and organized and get everything looking good again, for we can go grocery shopping. And thank you all so much for coming by for Teeny Tidy Tuesday. This is a collaboration that we all get to do every Tuesday. You can put your video up anytime. Now I have cleaned everything out of the top shelf, and now I am going to wipe everything down on the sides, the backs, and the shelves themselves. And it did take a little bit of time to empty everything out and clean everything, but it's important that we do this at least once every couple of weeks. I'm going to try to get in the habit of doing it at least every other week, because I do think it's important to get in here and do a spring cleaning of your refrigerator every other week. And as you can see, there's a lot of cleaning that I need to do, and I still haven't taken everything out. But eventually, we will have the whole refrigerator beautiful and clean with just a little bit of time and effort. Going back to the top shelf, as you can see, I have totally wiped down all the sides, and how pretty it looks now compared to what it did look like. And it makes me proud to show that it finally is starting to look better. Now we're going to go do this shelf and make it look good and clean out those crispers that are a total mess. It just takes a little bit of effort to take every single thing out and take those crispers out and cleaning them. As you can see, with everything out, you can see there was a mess to clean. And I cleaned every shelf, every back, every side panel. And when I was done, everything was really nice and looked really good. It's important every other week to at least do it that, if not every week, to clean out that refrigerator. And I'm going to get better at trying to shop my refrigerator and using more of my leftovers, for I don't have so much food going bad. Now, as you can see, I have wiped down every shelf, every back panel, and every side panel. And we still have one more shelf to pull out and clean out. But it's starting to look better already, is it not? Just a little effort on my part. Okay, now we have cleaned everything but this last shelf. And now we're going to get in there and clean it out and wipe it down thoroughly too. When I was done, I couldn't believe, I'm proud to say, everything is clean now. Oh my gosh, it's a good feeling to see the refrigerator clean. And now I'm going to put back in there things I already had, but it's going to be cleaner, better organized, and not looking so messy. And I still had some good produce still in the bottom of those crispers. So there's always something we can eat. Thank you so much, all of you, for stopping by today for Teeny Tidy Tuesday. And our hostess is The Healthful Home. This is a wonderful challenge to join in with. Hope to see all of you here next Tuesday, and hope to see some of you joining in. There's a lot of great creators that join in on this project, so please come and join us for Teeny Tidy Tuesday. It feels so good to look at my refrigerator totally cleaned out, and it makes you proud. Now you can open the refrigerator door and not see a mess. All the spills, everything that was messy and crumbs in here have all been cleaned out, and it's looking great. What do you think?